Hey guys, we are out here at one of our favorite riding spots and we're about to take this Nakto folding ox on its first maiden voyage, you could say. We're gonna put some miles on this thing, see what we like and don't like about it. If you did catch that short we did earlier, we did how you fold and unfold it. Pretty simple, goes in a nice small area. You can see I got a bunch of cameras set up. I got one here, one here. We're trying to get you guys some cool shots. And then maybe we can bust the drone out and get some shots with that. But with that being said, let's get out here on this trail and get some shots. All right guys, well the trip was cut short. We're only about 2 miles into the ride and we already got an error code on the screen. EO8, something to do with a hull sensor or something like that. Hopefully it's something easy to fix, but for right now she is down and it doesn't even have 2 miles on it. And to be honest with you, this is the second one they sent us. The first one, the screen wouldn't turn on, it did nothing. This one here, it turned on and we were riding for a little bit, already got a code. So hopefully it's something quick and easy. We did check the plugs. We didn't see nothing there. I did feel on the bottom the controller felt pretty hot in there, so I'm not sure if that had something to do with it. Or maybe they need to upgrade that stuff. But let's talk about a couple of the other things. The seat, I mean the brown seat's different. You mostly see the black ones, and this is supposed to flip up. You got this little lever you press to lift the seat to pull the battery out. You can see the lever, which it pretty much doesn't do anything because you don't even need the lever. You can just yank it up, so it doesn't do much there. Besides, the seat's uncomfortable as far as the cushioning, so we usually put the suspension seat post in, which if we get this going we'll probably do something like that. If you see another video, it'd probably be us fixing it or putting accessories on it. Something, you'll see that. The fat tires, love those. They feel good and stable on most terrain. With that orange in there, kind of sets it off pretty good. Some of the accessories we got have some of the orange in it also. The handlebars is something to get used to. The BMX style is different from most of the e-bikes, and they got the curved in handles. It's a little different of a ride. If you're used to motorcycles or something, a lot of those have it in. All right, another good thing is the pedals. Pedals have good grip on them. So like some of our other ones, they're kind of slippery. Your foot slides off a lot. This one holds pretty good. The screen, it's not on right now, but the screen it's hard to see. Well, we'll come over and show you. Let me peel the plastic off of here. And I'll turn it on so you can see the error code on this. I'll turn it on. There it is, the EO8 code. A little glue on there, so that won't allow this to do anything throttle or anything, so we are no bueno, so it shows nothing here. So it is what it is. Hopefully we can get it fixed. Something simple, we hope. The horn, it's cute but not really loud, but it would help if you're in a small area or if you're backing up like we mentioned before. But overall, not too bad. We did have the light on the other day. It's sufficient, but if you do a lot of night riding, I would upgrade that. The rack is nice. It's pretty strong for what you're going to hold if you got pannier bags or something, but it'd be nice if it had some kind of strap to hold some of your stuff down. The key hanging out of the side, I like the position of it, but you might want to put a lanyard to tie it in so it doesn't get fall out or yanked out. What else? When you got the bike, it came in the bag, it came a blade fuse. I can't find a blade fuse on this bike, so I'm not sure what that fuse goes to. The battery looks like it has a spot for a fuse right there, but when you open it, there's no fuse in it, and that's supposed to be the glass type. There's no fuse in there. So I'm not sure what the fuse they sent you is for, or what that spot on that is for. I'll have to get with them to see. Like I said, the controller in the bottom did get really, really hot, and we were only in it a mile, so wasn't that great. Hopefully it's a quick fix, but if you guys have any questions on this, because I got a bunch, I'll be reaching out to Nakto and trying to get some answers. Maybe you've had some of the same issues, comment that down below. Maybe it's something quick, like I said, but till then guys, thanks for watching. Try something new.